I said to hell with the 2J swap and went for something a little more electric, a lot more torque. So hopefully it makes good dyno numbers. Okay, so here Denise and I decided that one night we're just going to go out and start working on the Supra engine. So we took off the upper and lower oil pans. On the interstate,
Any boogers?
maybe.
That was me, by the way. Yeah.
Then I proceeded to install the rear sump pan. I'm using the actual Toyota FPIG gasket maker stuff. Next I installed the pickup tube and the little splash tray thing. I used the new OEM Toyota gasket wherever I needed a new one. I applied the gasket the same I did with the windage tray, and I installed the lower pan. And now that that was done, I can flip the engine back over. Well, I guess it's time to put the head on. One with the OEM Toyota head gasket. Yeah. Okay, so the part I didn't show you was that after I got all this put together and ready for the head, I might have forgotten to scrape the gasket off the head. So I spent a couple hours doing that, and now we're ready to assemble. Well, the only way for me to be able to pick this up by myself is going to be with the end new crane. Now, I already lubed up the stud threads with the ARP fastening lube stuff. I did that prior to putting the head on. Okay, so one issue I've seen brought up in many cases with the ARP hardware for the Supra is the size of the washer they give you is significantly smaller than stock. So this is the ARP, this is the stock one. So people are having issues with this ARP one leaving indents in the head. And if this presses into the head, you're going to lose torque off your studs. So your clamping pressure will be a lot less. So I won't be using these ARP ones. I'll be using the factory OEM Toyota ones. So lube up the washers and put those in place as well. Well, I guess I just found out the hard way that the washer will not fit in with the stud already in there. Okay, so as you can see, the stud is there. I pulled it out, but to show you, the washer is just too round to fit over the stud and between this gap. So I have to take them all out. So now what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to lube these up, get the washer set in place, and then put the studs back through them. It's definitely going to be a process. Lube it up all around the edges. Well, I got all my super tight donut holes back in, and didn't show you that because that'd be boring as shit, but maybe you guys want to see me stick these rods back through the donut holes, but probably not because you guys aren't gay like me, because I recently bought a neon. Yep, pretty gay. Anyways, putting these back in. I think this is the part where like the video speeds up and stuff just happens. Time to lube these nuts. Not going to show you this process either, it's pretty boring. Now, ARP says 3 equal torque steps to 80 foot-pounds. And we all know there's only one tool good enough for that job. And it's this one. No, wait, what? Okay, so 3 equal steps up to 80 foot-pounds, so like 27 pounds a pass. Using the manufacturer torque rotation. You pretty much get the idea. And the final one of 80 foot-pounds. More torque than a Honda. Trying to do it smooth and consistently so I don't jerk on the torque wrench and get a false reading. Okay, that's it. It's on. Now, I think before I do anything else, I'm gonna borrow a leak down tester and just test it to see if everything's fine and not having any sealing issues or anything.